Ciao everyone, I'm Rossella Rago and welcome back to Cooking with Nonna. I am here in my favorite place in the entire universe, Nonna Romana's basement kitchen. Nonna, say hello everybody.
Hello everybody, I'm Nonna Romana.
And what are you going to cook today?
Today I gotta cook cavoli a fiori e fusilli.
Ooh, that
Questo
sounds
è
so
un
good.
piatto povero.
Ah, the poor people eat this?
Yeah, very
Fusilli
good.
and cauliflower?
Yeah,
And tomato sauce.
tomato sauce.
Okay.
And you can put cheese too.
We gotta put cheese.
Yeah,
This we gotta put cheese.
it's good.
Yeah,
sure.
but why, when you make pasta with broccoli, you don't put cheese?
No, because cavoli a fiori, they need cheese.
Guys, I don't know.
Yeah, for me, I love cheese. Yeah.
On this,
Yeah.
but no broccoli.
No, in broccoli no. For cavoli a fiori, yes. Ma broccoli no.
But they're the same thing.
No. This cavoli a fiori and the broccoli, they have a different color. You know? The broccoli, it's green, dark green.
You know what? She's right. What am I going to do?
Sure.
So, Nonna, you going to cut cauliflower?
Yeah.
We got this nice head of cauliflower. I'm going to chop up an onion. And then I'm going to go back there and I'm going to make a beautiful tomato sauce. And we're going to make the most delicious Cucina Povera dish ever. Okay? Now, nobody make fun of the way that I cut, because I don't cut like they taught me how to cut in cooking class. I took one of those classes once. I cut the way I cut, and that's it. Oh, you need a saw for this?
Sure. This hard.
I love that Nonna's got her plastic bag here for any waste. That's what she has these for. So the leaves of the cauliflower you can cook?
Yeah, the small one, you know. This not too hard, this one. This good. You know, this too hard, not good.
It's too hard. We don't want that.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, we don't want.
Yeah.
Nonna, I'm gonna cry from the onions.
Oh.
You don't cry when you cut onions. Why you don't cry?
Well, you put far away for you, the onion.
No, I can't. Then
You
what am I gonna cut it like this?
Yeah.
I don't know, guys. I always cry. What are you gonna do? I'm sensitive. Yeah, I know. Cutting board. I do whatever I want. This onion's good. I'm gonna cover this so I don't cry, so I stop crying. And you want to make nice, small pieces, bite-sized pieces.
Because they cook better.
They cook better.
Yeah, sure.
And when we bring this over to the pot to cook them, we're actually going to use the same method that we used for when we did the rigatoni with broccoli. So if you guys haven't seen rigatoni with broccoli, go back and watch rigatoni and broccoli, because I think it was one of our best videos ever. I'm still crying. But also, we boiled the broccoli with the pasta, and we're going to do the same thing today.
Yeah.
Yeah? Why we do like that?
Yeah, to cook better.
That's a very common Southern Italian and also a very common pugliese technique, is to boil the vegetables with the pasta. This way that the pasta will take on the flavor of the vegetables. And depending on whether or not you're using fresh pasta or dry pasta is the timing of when you put it in. So since we're using a dried pasta today, dried pasta takes a little bit longer to cook than fresh, well, a lot longer to cook than fresh pasta. So we're going to put the pasta in first, and then we're going to drop the cauliflower in.
Yeah.
So all this we throw away?
Yeah, too hard then.
Too hard.
Yeah.
Wow, I'm surprised you're okay with throwing this away.
It's good.
You don't throw away nothing.
Oh, and why I gotta throw it, no? I put anything inside.
Okay. You sure?
Yeah.
This we throw away?
I will throw it too hard, this one.
Okay. You gonna save the bag? Or you gonna throw the bag away too?
No, you throw. You don't need the bag again.
Oh, okay. Okay. See, now we throw away everything.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. You keep this. I'm gonna go and make the sauce, okay?
Oh, yeah. You gotta wash this.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so now I'm ready to make our sauce for our fusilli with cauliflower. I got my dried fusilli here that we'll use in just a moment. I have my cauliflower cut up that Nonna did. We're just going to put some extra virgin olive oil. We're going to use some onion that I cut up and some tomatoes. I'm using passata rustica. That means it's just a little bit more of a chunky passata. It's like tomato puree with still some chunks in it. You can use canned crushed tomatoes. You can use whatever you like. And we're going to do some parsley. That's it. This is super, super simple. So I'm just going to get my heat on. And I'm going to get some oil going. And we're just going to wait for that to get hot. Give it a minute. Then we're going to go in with the onion. There we go. I'm going to save my parsley for later when I add the tomatoes. Ooh. That is some beautiful music right there. And we just want to get this onion soft, so about 5 to 7 minutes, we'll have a nice soft onion. Okay, so I'm just going to add my passata, my chunky passata. Oh, it looks really, really good. Really, really good. Okay, and now I'm just going to add a tiny bit of water to this and rinse out the jar. So this is about, as Nonna would say, 2 fingers, duedita. And I'm going to close it and shake it. There we go. So to this, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And we'll taste it later to see if it's enough. I'm also going to add my parsley. Okay, so we're just going to bring this to a boil. I have the heat on high, and now that it's boiling a little bit, I'm just going to turn it to low, and we're going to simmer it for about 15 minutes. So in the meantime, I'm going to take my fusilli. I'm going to put them into the boiling water. And I'm going to give them a quick stir. Now I'm going to wait about 2 or 3 minutes, and then I'm going to throw in the cauliflower. I want to give the pasta a few minutes on its own just because it's hard, it's dried pasta, and the cauliflower is going to cook quicker than the fusilli. Okay, so now I'm going to throw my cauliflower in with the pasta, and they're going to finish cooking together. Going to give these a quick stir, and then we're just going to cook these until the pasta is al dente. Okay, so now pasta and cauliflower ready to go into the sauce. Oops. Okay. The This looks so good already. Delicious. I love it when the cauliflower kind of absorbs the tomato sauce and you really taste it. It kind of explodes with flavor when you put it in your mouth. Amazing. So I'm going to take this over to Nonna. We're going to top it with some amazing cheese, of course, because a little cheese is okay in this dish, not in broccoli, but in this one it's okay. So we're going to see how she likes it. Okay, it is finally time to taste this. You hungry, Nonna?
Yeah.
You want to taste?
Yeah. Sure.
Okay. We got cheese? We got enough?
Yeah. I got enough.
You want more? A little more?
A little more.
Little more. Okay.
That's enough.
That's enough.
Mm-hmm.
I put some over here. C'è il cucchiaio per il formaggio. Looks so good. Okay. I'm going to put some cheese too. You need cheese on this, right?
Yeah, it's good cheese.
Okay.
Okay, buon appetito.
Buon appetito.
Mm-hmm.
So
Good.
good.
So
This is
good,
so
eh?
good.
Very good.
Oh my goodness. The sauce and the cauliflower and the cheese, it all works so nice together.
Yeah, very good.
I can't believe this is Cucina Povera, guys.
Yeah. Very good.
Very good. You used to eat this all the time,
Yeah. I eat any time. Yeah.
but they made a lot for La Quaresima, for Lent,
Anytime.
quando non c'era la carne, when you couldn't buy meat.
Anytime I eat.
Oh, you're hungry.
Yeah.
So, so good. Nonna, thank you for teaching me how to make this. Teach everybody how to make this.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
I love you, Nonna. And tell everybody bye-bye. We'll see you next time. Nonna's like so hungry. She's
Bye,
like,
everybody.
tell over there too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
We'll see you next time. Mwah. Ciao.